Hi everyone, this is Abdur from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 31st January, continuing our series to help you prepare for your WAT and Pre-I and get through IIMs and other top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed in our daily news section. Its link is in our description and first pinned comment. Please check it out. Today's top 5 headlines are: Indian Navy rescues hijacked fishing vessels with 19 Pakistanis from armed Somali pirates. Oil ticks down in Asian trade despite rising Middle East tensions. Government cuts import duty for components used in making mobile phones to 10%. Budget basics: why the human angle is so important in budgets. India's employable youth up from 33.9% in 2014 to 51.3% in 2024. Let's look at the first news. Indian Navy rescues hijacked fishing vessel with 19 Pakistanis from armed Somali pirates. The Indian Navy warship INS Sumitra rescued a hijacked fishing vessel Al Naimi with Somali pirates around 800 miles off the coast of Kochi. This was the second rescue operation that the Indian Navy undertook in a span of 24 hours. Indian Navy had saved another Iranian flagged fishing vessel from Somali pirates along the east coast of Somalia and Gulf of Aden. Indian Navy warships are deployed all around the Indian Ocean region to provide safety and security in the area. The hijackings of Somalia have fueled concerns about a resurgence of Indian Ocean raids by opportunistic pirates, coming on top of a separate surge of attacks launched by Yemen's Iran-backed Houthi rebels. The next news is about oil ticks down in Asian trade despite rising Middle East tensions. Oil prices dipped in Asian trade on Wednesday, despite mounting tensions in the Middle East. A strong military response from the US to drone attack near Jordan-Syria border last week could still trigger a strong reaction in the market. The ongoing conflict between Israel and Hamas is also a source of concern for the oil market. The deepening crisis in China's real estate sector could also have a negative impact on oil demand. The next news is about government cuts import duty for components used in making mobile phones to 10%. The Indian government has reduced import duty on mobile phones components from 15% to 10%. The think tank said that Indian manufacturers must pay duties on smartphones sold within India, but exports should be exempted from such duties. Firms can import necessary inputs or capital goods duty free for manufacturing and exporting electronic items. Big players like Apple, using facilities in SEZs, benefit greatly from this, exporting large volumes without paying import duties on components. However, cutting import duties on components will kill any incentive for setting up a deep manufacturing operation in India. The next news is about budget basics. Why human angle is so important in budgets. The human angle in the budget is not secondary to economic and the financial aspects because it is central to a country's economic growth. Health of women and children and education are important because worker productivity and well-being is directly responsible for economic growth. Given India's huge youth population that needs skilling for employability, recent budgets have laid emphasis on training and apprenticeship. The National Health Policy had proposed that the overall government expenditure on public health, central and state governments combined, should be at 2.5% of GDP. Women need to account for over half the new jobs created by 2030 for India to achieve an 8% growth rate. The last news is about India's employable youth up from 33.9% in 2014 to 51.3% in 2024. Combined with the rising enrollment in higher education from 3.2 crores in 2013 to 2014 to 4.1 crores in 2020 to 2021, rising employability implies that India's young workforce is both expanding and becoming increasingly employable. The employable percentage of final year and pre-final year students increased from 33.9% in 2014 to 51.3% in 2024. Under the National Education Policy, there is a special focus on vocational education and skill development. The recent launch of the Skill India digital platform as the digital public infrastructure for skilling, education, employment, and the entrepreneurship ecosystem marks another step towards the ease of acquiring skill in India. These are the 5 news for today. If you like this video and found this useful, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more videos which will be helpful for your preparation. Thank you and all the best.